Beautiful people, today we are at task number 9 inside Windows Fundamentals 3, and we finish pre-security path. Tomorrow we'll start a new path, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. For today we will talk about Volume Shadow Copy Service, VSS. Per Microsoft, Volume Shadow Copy Service, or VSS for short, coordinates the required actions to create a consistent shadow copy, also known as a snapshot or a point-in-time copy. You will heard about snapshot if you work with Git or any version control software. A consistent shadow copy of the data that is to be backed up. Volume shadow copies are stored on the system volume information folder on each drive that has protection enabled. If Volume Shadow Copy Service is enabled, system protection turned on, you can perform the following tasks from within advanced system settings. Create a restore point, perform system restore, configure restore settings, delete restore points. From a security perspective, malware writers know of this Windows feature and write code in their malware to look for these files and delete them. Doing so makes it impossible to recover from a ransomware attack unless you have an off-site backup. If you wish to configure shadow copies within the attached virtual machine, see below. Volume Shadow Copy Service. So you see in this snapshot from TryHackMe, on the C drive, we configure shadow copy. And here you can see the configurations that you can do. You can play with this, you can try it for yourself. A bonus, if you wish to interact hands-on with Volume Shadow Copy Service, I suggest exploring day 23 of Advent of Cyber 2. We will go there. All right. What is VSS? Is Volume Shadow Copy Service. Awesome.